Instead of making plain brown rice, let me use up a few things I have in the refrigerator and make a video. Why not? There's the olive oil. There's no dairy into this, no meat products, so it's all nice vegan. And you see the rosemary right in there. It's fresh rosemary, so you do not have to mince it up. It chews very soft. There's the salt. Pepper I'm not measuring because I'm using this cracked pepper to taste for yourself. And that's about it. I'm going to sweat this up. This is nothing to sweat up. But to help it along, we'll put the lid on it. And my method of cooking this rice is much different than most people. After I put the water in there, I'm going to bring it to a boil and cut it down to the lowest setting and set my timer for a half hour and go away. Come back, nothing is stuck. I have a moderate flame on that. This has only been a minute, and listen to that. That's great. Now, you either leave it like this, which I'm going to do. Oh, that rosemary smells so good. And why am I using rosemary? Because it's here. Otherwise, I would have put some dry herb in there. That's the only reason. Now I'm going to add the rice. And when I make brown rice, I use one to almost two. Like regular, like Uncle Ben's long grain rice, you use 1 to 1.5. I like it soft. And so when this comes to a boil, this is going to be my lunch today. That comes to a boil, but you don't have to watch and waste time on the video. So when it comes to a boil, I'll put the lid on there and simmer it for, like I said, 30 minutes. My alarm went off. Let's see if my timing is correct, as I guessed that it would take a half hour. Oh, that's good. Take one piece of rice, one little piece. Perfect. Now you can take the rosemary out, and to finish it off, craisins and chopped up, not very fine, walnuts. Let's see if that was enough in the mix. Okay, I'm going to double up on the craisins and the walnuts. That's a half a cup of each. And there, we're done. Let's just see what this looks like on a plate. You want to finish it up with some parsley or scallions. And this, no, that's enough for the garnish. And there's my lunch. Hope you enjoy it.